That was the plan when I enrolled in culinary. I really wanted to learn something because when I enrolled in a culinary school, I just had Johan, I just got Johan. So in my mind as a mom at the time, I wanted to prove to my daughter that I was able to finish something. Kasi it was my decision to not pursue college anymore. So it came across my mind na, okay, I have to prove to my eldest daughter na I have a certificate. Kasi baka mamaya iba ito niya sa akin, ba't ako mag-college, ma? Hindi ka naman nag-college. Diba? Medyo teka muna, but wait, there's more, anak. May certificate, mami mo. And yes, that was part of the plan. I needed to fuel me up with something apart from acting. Para in any case, in the future, you know, I'm not gonna be in the producer's mind when it comes to movie projects or teleseries. I can still do something and earn something from it. So culinary is actually si Ryan ang nag-ano sa akin, nag-papursige at pag-terminate. Ang nag-break up sa akin. Why are you thinking? Kasi I wanted to be a makeup artist na nga. I wanted to, this is really so I think I can be like a prosthetic artist. Kasi malaki ang ito doon. Again, so real. Yeah, so, yes, I was really looking for a fallback career. If at times hindi na ako kunin dito dati. I think you have to be prepared for that. Because, truth be told, being an actor is not a lifetime job. Especially when something happens, maraming pwede mangyari na hindi mo hawak. And I want to prepare myself for that. So, when Ryan told me, bakit ka ba nag-iisip maghanap ng ibang course? Why not take up culinary and you love to cook naman? Oo nga naman. But hindi ko siya nag-isip. So, I enrolled in CECS, enjoyed it so much. I took 6 months off from work at that time. Went to school Monday to Sunday, 24/7, just to finish a year's worth of curriculum for pro culinary. And then, I never actually realized that going into culinary would create a different path for me in my career as a celebrity. It wasn't, hindi ganun kalaki yung plano ko when I studied culinary. I really wanted to learn professionally. It is not part of the plan. It is in God's plan. Na naidala niya lang ako sa mas marami pang ibang pamilya, iba pang produkto, mga bagong brands na nagtitiwala sa atin. And I can be more grateful enough. Mas malawak pa palang purpose ang pagiging culinary student ko before at ang pagiging chef ngayon. It's for me to encourage people to learn how to cook, to enjoy the space in their kitchens and be creative in the kitchen and try out different items in their kitchens. Kasi yun yung nagpapahami sa akin. That's what grounds me. And that's what makes me even more prouder na I just really made the right decision. Alam mo hanggang ngayon, tinatanong ko pa rin. Siyempre, parang hindi ko maaalis talaga sa sarili ko yun. Especially kapag na hindi maaalis sa sagot ko na i-question rin yun eh. In every service I make during Chef's Night, andun lagi yung question na they really like my food for my food or they really like my food for me. But then again, I would always get naman a very beautiful reaction from them that the travelers worth it. Kasi nagtrabaho ko siya eh. Kung pampata naman ako sa pagkain ko. Pero syempre, may doubts pa rin ako sa skill ko kasi hindi pa naman ako talaga. Marami pa ako kailangan patunayan. And I welcome all suggestions, all comments, be it good or bad. I think it's part of being a chef. You have to accept constructive criticism, and I welcome it. So tanggap ko. na maaaring nagustuhan nila yung pagkain dahil nakita nila ako at nandun ako, or mas madalas naman nag-live sila ng magandang review because they really like it. Totoo naman. Totoo naman eh. Napunan ko yung pagiging estudyante ko sa culinary dahil artista ako. Nagtrabaho ako, wala akong pinagnakawan. Honest ang trabaho ko. Ako nagpaaral sa sarili ko dahil sa trabaho ko bilang isang artista. Ryan, my brother-in-law, and my sister-in-law invested in me as a chef for Agridobo. And my percentage for Agridobo is to be an industrial partner. So my job is to create food for them. And part of it, alam naman din namin, malaking portion talaga doon. Probably 70% of why people will try our place is because of me and Ryan. That's a given. And hindi ako magmamalaki na, ay, punta sila dyan kasi masarap ang pagkain. Of course, hindi naman yun ang unang iisipin nila. Of course, they wanted, like any other foodies out there, they wanted to try our food and even two things. Masarap o hindi masarap. Masarap, i-review. Hindi masarap, i-review pa rin yan. So, these are the challenges that we were willing to face. Because it's a totally different world for us to go into restaurant business. But it is also satisfying to be able to see happy faces. Family, having dinner at home, having dinner in Agridobo. Students going to Cantina Agridobo and coming back for more. Para yung unang punta, okay gets. Pero yung alam mo, naging suki mo na, bumabalik sila, kahit wala ka. That makes me very, very happy. It really does makes me very, very happy. Kasi, nasarapan sila sa pagkain. Kasi pinalikan nila, hindi malapit ang Alabang. Para puntahan nila sa Agridobo. Pero para dahil nila yun. At isang nila sa itinerary nila, nakakataba na. So, ito na super